Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna show you guys how to make a custom form, your own custom form in C Sharp. So yeah. Alright, so first of all you need Visual Studio, of course. Go to File. Let's make a new project real quick. And we're gonna call this let's see what we're gonna call it. Hold on. So yeah, just select Windows format, next, and we're gonna do YouTube. And yeah, just create it. Okay, so when it started up, um, we're gonna I'm gonna just go into it. So you need a toolbox right here. I got it on my right. So we need to let's see, we're gonna make an alphabet. So is it? Yeah, it's already an alphabet. So we'll do form border style right here. Make it to none. So the border will be gone. And the toolbox right here, we need to add a panel. You'll see it right here. And you can so you can like choose where do you want to put it, but we need a panel of course up here for like the bar here and down here, for the design. But right now I'm only gonna do two of them, so let's do that. I'm gonna change the back color right here. So let's do this to like just the default. So I'm gonna do that 74 74 74, and you'll see here the dock where you need to put this on top, and dock we need to put this at the bottom right here. You'll see we got one here, one here. So we'll make the colors, uh let's make it red. We'll make it red, and we'll make it this size. How much that is? How much is that? 32? No. We'll make it, let's see, can we do it just like 25? No, the button is gonna be 25, so we'll do 30. 30 should be good. This, so we can just do it to 5 and make the same back color right here, right there. Oh, what have I done? Right there. So you see we got right here and right here. And you guys already know how the normal form. It's like, you're tired from using Metro framework or the normal Windows form. So yeah, you want to make your own custom one. So you know how that looks like, pretty boring. So right now, let's start it. It has nothing, just so you just this. I will show you how to customize it even more. Okay, as you can see, nice, and you can't move it as you can see. So it won't let you move. We'll fix that issue in a little bit. So you gotta just quit it from there. Now, first let's add a button to close, exit the application. So we'll do like there. And the button, as I said before, is going to be 25 by 25. You can choose your own custom one, your own custom size, but I prefer 25 by 25. Just looks normal. And we're going to do, where is it? Where is it? We do text here as well, X. And there's something else right here that is the flat style, and we need to change that to flat or pop-up. I like pop-up. It looks cooler, and we're gonna double click on it. Um, and if some people have a splash screen when I have like this custom one, so if you do application.exit, it will exit the whole application. So you can just do that and it'll close the splash screen as well. Else I'll do in another video and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So application.exit, that will close this application, not just this form. So what this dot close does, it just closes this form, but application.exit actually closes the whole application. So, uh, let's try it out. I'm gonna show you also the pop-up style, and the flat, just like, nothing too special. But this looks kind of old school. I like it. So you see, I don't know if you can see on the video, but you have this white outline, and then it pops up when you click it. Close the application, of course. And now let's add a label and add our name to it right here. And let's do text is gonna be vicious security. That's what my you know business kind of thing is, called. So vicious security, I'll call it that. And we're gonna do build in okay. Oh my god, I just fucked that up. Bold. But we'll do, let's see, I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna make it 16, so a little bit big and nice. Okay, that sounds gay, but it's nice. Look, there we go. And let's get to the moving part. So I'm gonna put this code for you guys, and down below I had some people before saying that the code did not work with my first video how to make a DDoS panel. So the code did not work for that. So what I'm gonna do is just put in a mega file, and that should stay forever. So right here, we're gonna do open with Sublime Text, and you got this code right here. And first, I'm gonna show you guys. So we need to go to form 1 right here. Form 1 load, we'll move that later. But here, under the namespace, and that you'll do above the public partial class form 1 form, you'll put this up, or under it doesn't matter, but as long as it's there. And it shows it's gonna do the thing for us. So I got an error right here that the P is too big, so it's capital, so we gotta make that small, and that should fix it. The mouse location, I don't know why that is messing up, but we'll fix it. Hold on, let's do this. Let's put this one first. Let's put this in, and then after it we'll fix this. So we'll go here, and we gotta go to the form, and you click this little light. Oh my god, light bolt thing, and it'll say events. Click on it, and you got here mouse down. Double click on that, and you'll see right here. Paste the first code, and you'll see right here. I did it for you guys. Mouse down, and then the code, and then mouse move. So we gotta change also the mouse move of it. So let's go over here and do the mouse move. There we go. Boom. Now I don't know why this. Hold on. Let's try this. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, I lied to you guys. It's under the namespace. Gotta be under the form right here. I lied to you guys. My bad. So now it's fixed, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna show you for you guys. I need to drink water after this because I've been talking for a long time, also before this video. So yeah. So look, the form can move, but watch this. You can't move it from the top. See that? Or the bottom. So for the most people that don't know how to code or don't know about this, when you add a label, it won't let you move, or if you add like this little stuff. So what you gotta do is literally the same thing I did for this panel right here, for the form 1. So you click on the thing that you wanna, if you go over it and, select it, you can move it. So you click on it and go to mouse down right here and just do the same thing, literally the same thing. So you can just copy this code, put it in, and do the same thing for mouse move. Copy this code, put it in, boom. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the label. So if someone also selects the label, it's gonna also move it. Oh, wrong code. and we're gonna go to mouse move, and we'll put this code in it. So look, now watch this. So we go to start, and look, watch this. If you highlight it, now you can move from on top, and also from the label. Didn't add this because, you know, let's be real, who's gonna select this and start moving it? If you're gonna do that, then do this from the top. So yeah, that's that, and that's basically how you make um, your own templates and your own form. And I'm gonna make another video after this, how to make a splash screen. And if you guys don't know what a splash screen is, it's that loading thing that you guys see with panels. Like it loads, and then after stops loading or finishes loading, it starts up the um the form, or the panel with the exe. So I'm gonna make a video also about that. So make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can stay tuned. And I wish you all a good day or night. And yeah, see you guys later.